To access job invoicing, click Accounts and select the Produce Job Invoice submodule. Any jobs that have been submitted for invoicing are listed in the data table. The column options can be edited from the down arrow on the right, and the data can be exported to an Excel or PDF file from here. Data can be sorted by clicking the column headers, and you can use the search filters to further narrow your search, for instance by a customer name. The action tray on the right gives you the option to preview the invoice, which will load a PDF of the invoice into a new window. The edit icon allows you to edit the invoice date only. Change the date if needed and then click the tick icon to confirm. You can select the invoices on the left by clicking the radio button and then click Generate Invoice to raise it. The invoice will be raised as either a PDF copy or emailed directly to your customer based on the settings for that customer in the Communications Centre. You can also select multiple invoices and raise them in bulk, for instance if you want to raise a batch invoice for a customer. If you do this, you can also use the Set Invoice Date option to set a specific date for all the invoices selected. When you generate the batched invoice, it will create a single PDF with each invoice having its own number. Again, the Communications Centre settings for the customer will apply to how the invoices are produced. The Invoice History tab allows you to view all previous job invoices raised. The down arrow on the right allows you to edit columns or export the data to an Excel or PDF file. Data can be sorted by clicking the column headers, and you can use the search filters to narrow the selections further, for instance by an invoice date. The action tray allows you to upload any relevant documents, for instance a customer purchase order. The edit icon produces a snapshot of the invoice. You can edit customer address details and the call details for the job here, and you can also edit the date if needed. You cannot edit the financials of the invoice. If you are editing, click Save when finished. You can also print the invoice here, and this will load the invoice as a PDF for you to view or download, but this does not follow the settings for the customer in the Communications Centre.